Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fade header scroll effect in Wix Editor, a fantastic way to add a professional touch to your website. This effect subtly enhances the user experience by making your website headers fade in and out smoothly as you scroll. Let's dive into the process step by step so that you can incorporate this appealing feature into your website easily. First, open your Wix Editor and navigate to the page where you want the fade header effect. It's essential to make sure you're in the correct working area before proceeding with any changes. Once you're set, click on the header to select it. A blue outline will indicate that your header is selected, which helps you recognize that it's ready for editing. Next, glance over to the panel on the left and click on the Add button. This is where you'll find all the additional elements you can integrate into your website, including various interactive features. From here, hover over Interactive in the drop-down menu. Upon doing so, you'll see several options appear, and the one we're interested in for today is and hover over Scroll. Clicking on it will reveal the scroll options. The task now is to add the scroll effect to your header. Select Effects, then click on Fade. This action applies a default fade effect to the header. You'll want to customize this fade effect to suit your specific style, ensuring it contributes significantly to your website's overall aesthetic. To optimize the fade settings, click on the header once more to bring up the Options toolbar. Select Change Fade Effect, and you'll be greeted with more detailed customization settings. Here, you can control the duration and intensity of the fade effect, allowing you to match it perfectly with your website's theme. A crucial tip here is to preview your website frequently during this process to see how the fade effect looks in real time. The preview feature is invaluable for making adjustments and achieving the best possible result. Once you're satisfied with the fade effect in the preview, don't forget to hit the Save button to preserve your hard work. You will also want to publish the changes to your website once you are ready, so they are visible to everyone who visits your site. In conclusion, adding a fade header scroll effect in Wix Editor is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website's interactivity and appearance. It's always a wise idea to revisit your changes after some time, possibly getting feedback to ensure everything works as intended. There you have it, a professional-looking fade header scroll effect in just a few steps. I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings to find the perfect look that fits your website's unique style. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!